Morning everyone, my name is Varnika Baliyan, standard class 4. My school name is Mavi International School. My topic name is Waterfall calendar. So let's start. Month is 12. January date is 31. Second, February date is 28. Third, March date is 31. Fourth, April date is 30. May date is 31. June date is 13. July date is 31. August date is 31. September date is 30. October date is 31. November date is 30. And my last is December date is 32. So my 12 months is done. Thank you. Have a nice day.